Hey everyone, welcome to Caldwell. My name is Molly.
My name is Cindy Herrera.
Hello, my name is Katherine.
Hey guys, my name is Maryam. I am a senior at Caldwell studying sport management with 2 minors in pre-law and human resources.
I'm currently in my senior year here at CU. I'm an elementary education and social studies double major, and I've also been a commuter student for all 4 years.
I'm a criminal justice major with a triple minor in pre-law, criminal forensics, and psychology.
I am a junior, soon to be senior, and I am a double major in English and psychology.
I commute from Haledon, New Jersey, which is about 20-25 minutes away from Caldwell, depending on traffic.
So I commute from Dover, New Jersey, which is roughly 35 minutes.
My commute is around 45 minutes.
I've been commuting from Denville, New Jersey. It's about 20 to 30 minutes away from campus, depending on traffic.
And I'm here to talk about tips and tricks about being a commuter.
Always make sure that you leave yourself enough time to get to campus before class or work, especially in the mornings. Luckily, professors are really flexible and they understand that if you're commuting, you may not get to campus on time every single day. It happens, but always try to make sure that you allow yourself the time to get to campus safely and on time.
If a class started at, let's say, 10 a.m., I would wake up around 8, get out the door by 9, if not max 9:15 a.m. This gives me about 10 minutes or so to go walk to class, get settled and everything before class starts.
Over the years, I've learned to keep some necessary essentials in my car that really did help me out. I keep all of my books for all of my classes, which really did help me work on anything, whether it be during my breaks in between classes or during any of my late night study sessions. The next thing that I have are just some snacks and plenty of water. And finally, I have a blanket and a pillow for all those well-needed quick naps.
Now, a lot of my friends are commuter as well, so most of us have a similar class break. We all love to hop in one car and go out to eat or walk around town.
There's a lot that you can do in the area, especially if you're a commuter, you're gonna have your car on campus. So if you and your friends just wanna take a ride in between class to the mall, we have a mall about 15 minutes away. There's a Dunkin' that is about a 5-minute walking distance. It's actually easier to walk from campus to Dunkin' than it is to drive from campus to Dunkin'. So me and my friends in between classes, we would walk over there, get something to drink before class. Check your emails constantly, especially as a commuter. I've made the mistake of not checking my emails before I left my house. So I showed up to school and I didn't actually have class.
I'm gonna pull up mine really quickly just so you guys can see. We each have our Caldwell email accounts and you'll get emails constantly about what stuff that's happening on campus. That is the main method of communication through the school, our Caldwell email accounts.
They send out about 100 emails a day telling you about different events that are going on.
One of my favorite events that I attended is the Winter Festival during Christmas time. There was music, there were carriage rides this past year actually. It was so much fun.
It is really important for you guys to go to these events because that's how you get to make friends. You get to experience all that Caldwell has to offer. Another favorite event of mine was the Caldwell Day of Service. I did it freshman, sophomore, and junior year. So every September, the last Friday of September, all classes are canceled for the day, and we just go out to different community service sites, and we get to help people on campus and in the surrounding communities.
So over the years, I would spend nights in the dorms. I would take advantage of that because it was fun, especially if I knew I had to be up early the next day or there was a late night event going on at school.
You can stay in your friend's dorm. I have done that many of times and it has been a lifesaver.
My favorite place on campus is the library. My favorite part about it is that there are several TV screens in which I am able to put up some of my notes or PowerPoints.
My favorite study space on campus to do homework or study with friends would have to be the Cougar Den.
It's just a big space, a lot of tables, a lot of chairs. All the way in the back there's couches, a TV to sit at. And that's my favorite place to hang out on campus because a lot of students will tend to go there, whether it's commuters, residents, no matter what, anyone is there. Even professors are sitting in there all the time.
I am involved with a lot of things. I'm a designer and a member for the Caldwell University Break Stigma for mental health, or CUBS for short. I am in the Rainbow Connection Club. I'm in the Color Guard for the marching band. I am also in Greek Life for Lambda Tau Omega Sorority Incorporated. Just to name a few things that I do.
I am also a part of the Sport Management Club. I was the treasurer of it. And I also helped co-found the Esports and Gamers Club on campus.
Even as a commuter, a lot of people think that I live on campus because of how much I'm there.
A lot of people say that being a commuter, you don't get the same experience as a resident does. And I just wanted to say that at Caldwell, that is not true. Whether I was just hanging out with friends, doing homework, in the library, going to some of the sporting games, working on campus and admissions.
Always try to have the best time. Be open to what Caldwell has to offer. It is very possible for you to have the same experiences that the residents do, as long as you allow yourself and make the time and put in the effort to do so.
So we hope to see you around on campus.
Best of luck to you. Welcome to campus. We can't wait to see you in the coming years, and have the best time. See you later.